Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video is about making chips using raw bananas. In this video, I want to share the secret of making these chips delicious and also some important and useful tips. Let's get ready for making the delicious crunchy chips. For this recipe, I am using 2 raw bananas. First, prepare the bananas for making the chips. Things to do is peel the skin and cut the bottom part. One small tip, but it will help a lot, that is, don't cut the stack. Leave the stack as it is. This will help to hold the banana while chopping for the chips. Then take a vessel with lots of holes like this, which will helps to drain the excess oil from the chips. And next one is selecting the pan. For making chips, I always prefer flat bottom pan because it spreads the heat evenly. Also, you can make a lot of chips at a time without sticking to each other. And finally, with less amount of oil. Now, it's time to share the secret, that is adding salt and sugar in the oil. This will give the fantastic taste to the chips. I am adding half spoon of salt in the oil, following with 3 pinch of sugar. By doing like this, the flavor will blend well inside the chips and the sugar will enhance the taste. After adding the salt and sugar in the oil, using a ladle, mix it well. After the oil heats up well, then take the banana and chop directly on the pan. This method gives proper or exact color to the chips. After chopping the sufficient amount of chips, then allow this to fry until the bubbles calms down. You can notice that slowly the bubbles settling down. This means the chips fried well. In this stage, remove all the chips from the pan and collect it in the drainer. Then again repeat the chopping steps until completing or finishing all the vegetables. You can able to see how the stack is helping to chop the vegetable. By using this method, there is no wastage of vegetable. You can see the crispiness of the chips. That's all about the steps. One important note, that is, if you are making chips with more number of bananas, then add the salt gradually in the oil. Don't add all the salt in the beginning. Add gradually. That's all to keep in mind. By following these tips, you can prepare the tasty chips at home, just like one you get in the store. I hope this will help you to make the delicious and crunchy chips, and also I hope you find it useful. Give it a try and let me know how it comes out. If you really like this recipe, then support and subscribe my channel for more videos, and finally a big thanks.